Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I did this analysis about 24 hours ago, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And updates, not necessarily the right word. I'd say probably more so confirmation would be an accurate term. Confirmation of what? Well, essentially both of the levels that I talked about in yesterday's video. The first part of confirmation we got is in regards to this level of resistance right here at 425. You can see once again over the past 24 hours, the price did go up there again and get rejected by that area. So on any sort of bounce, 425 truly has been confirmed as that key area of resistance. In the event the price can push up above there, the next overall level to keep a general eye on would be that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So in order to kind of keep the chart as relevant for as long as possible, remember cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours from now, first question to ask yourself is the price up above 425? If it is, that'd be a nice sign of strength on the bulls part. The follow-up question to that would be, well, is the price up above that purple line there, which would then be the 50-period moving average? But keep an eye on that level. I highly doubt over the next 24 hours the price is getting up above that purple line. But that, again, would be the sequence of questions from the resistance standpoint. Now, on the flip side, the first thing you need to ask yourself, and the other point of confirmation, is in regards to this 410 mark, which I talked about yesterday as being that level of support, and so far so good. That level is holding. With that being said, though, as you can see right now as I speak, the price is currently doing battle with it. So we'll see if the bulls can hold. So that leads into the next key question that you need to ask yourself is, well, is the price up above 410? If it is, then great. That would imply that maybe it's got a chance at being up above 425. But in the event the price is now below 410, whenever you're watching this, that would imply that the bears now have, in technical jargon, a pattern breakdown. And that would just be a sign that the bears are now getting continuation. And I do want to map out where the next level of support would be, maybe. Or is this just... There we go. So I realize that the price is hard, or the chart is hard to see, but we're just going way back into the chart's history here. So in the event, like I said, you ask yourself, is 410 broken? The next key level of support would be down around 375. So this 410 mark, definitely a very important level. I'm not saying if 410 is broken, it's going to be at 375 within a matter of a couple hours. But technically speaking, the chart does open up quite a bit. And, the price very well could start to bleed down to the 375 mark. But so far, so good. As I talk, like I said, the price is holding up at 410. So that's definitely the key level going forward. Not even necessarily over the next 24 hours, but definitely essentially the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.